Introducing expandakabin, the revolutionary man-portable building system from Extraspace, the market leaders in flat-pack building technology. This innovative building system has been specially designed to provide more user benefits than any other low-cost portable building on the market. Arriving as a flat-pack kit, the unit is completely man-portable and can be assembled in areas that were previously inaccessible to other types of portable accommodation. The simple assembly is carried out using basic tools and can be ready for occupation within the hour. The unit is supplied with one double-glazed locking window and one door as standard, which can be positioned anywhere within the unit. Additional doors and windows are available if required. All parts of the expandakabin are replaceable. The wall and roof panels are fully insulated and are suitable for surface-mounted electrics. The fully galvanized construction with its durable powder-coated finish is ideal for use in any environment. The clean lines ensure a smart appearance from the outside with a light and airy interior. The unit can be lifted by crane or forklift for relocation. When not in use, the expandakabin can be demounted into its neat flat pack form for storage purposes. The expandakabin is ideal for checkpoints, security guard rooms, home offices, workshops, site offices, sleeping quarters, kiosks, and a host of other uses. Expandakabin comes in two sizes: 2.3 meters wide by 3.3 meters long, which weighs in at 650 kilos, and the 2.3 by 4.3 meter model, weighing 850 kilos. If you require a larger accommodation area, the expandakabins can be linked together, side by side or end to end, to meet your needs. For further information, contact Extraspace on 0845 330 3713 or visit our website at www.extraspace.co.uk. The expandakabin arrives flat-packed and can be offloaded by forklift or crane from the unit's lifting eyes. When you unpack the expandakabin, make sure that you have a suitable area for laying out all the unit parts where they will not be damaged and can be easily identified. When the expandakabin is unpacked, the roof skin is the first part to be removed. This is lifted off, revealing the panels within. Remove and retain the Tek screws from the timber packaging for later use if required. The bolts are removed from the corner pieces. This releases the roof frame from the pack. Now remove the panels that are sitting on the ceiling retention bars and remove the roof frame itself. Remove the remainder of the expandakabin parts to your identification area. This will include the wall and ceiling panels, a door and a window panel, steel corner columns, timber posts, steel H sections, ceiling retention bars, and a box of small components. If you plan to demount the cabin at a later date, it's essential that you keep all parts of the packaging so that you can return it to its original flat pack form for easy storage. Once you have removed all of the parts and the packaging, ensure that your expandakabin base is sited on firm and level ground. You are then ready to begin the assembly. First, the 4 corner columns are bolted into the frame as shown. These should only be made hand tight. Note that the raised profiles on the columns should be uppermost. Lift the roof frame over the corner columns and fix with the bolts. All of the bolts can now be tightened. Insert the wall panels along one short side first. The method is to locate the panel into the base and then offer the top panel up to the frame. When you have one short side complete, slide in the timber inserts from above by pulling the panels gently out at the top and then putting a steel H-section connection bar between them. Continue in a clockwise fashion. You will always have 2 short panels and 1 wide panel on the short side of the unit. Extras for the unit include additional windows and doors, forklift feet and an electric pack. The large pieces of timber fit into the corner columns. The cavities in the timber should line up with the holes in the corner profiles. Once all the wall panels are in place, you're ready to fit the ceiling retention bars onto the top of the frame. Then fit the ceiling panels. Note these are the same size as the full size wall panels. You use exactly the same joining system as before. Finally, you lift the roof skin onto the roof. This is currently a 1-piece roof, though there are plans to make this a 2-piece roof. You now have your completed expandakabin. You can give it additional waterproofing around the roof skin by putting a bead of silicone around the lip of the roof before you put the roof skin on. The unit can be lifted using its lifting eyes, or if there's a requirement to lift the unit with a heavy load inside, we can supply special chassis-located lifting eyes which bolt on for a safe lift. For further information, contact Extra Space on 0845 330 3713 or visit our website at www.extraspace.co.uk.